Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Okay, so when you're setting up Bedrock, you can set up guardrails. And what that means is when a user tries to interact with your model, there are, of course, some native protections inside the foundation model. But in addition to that, you'll be able to set up guardrails like content filters for things like hate, insult, sexual violence, and other topics in terms of how what tolerance your model has to prompts in those areas. And the second type is you can completely deny topics outright, so the model won't respond on those topics. So if your prompt passes these guardrails and goes to the model, that's not all. And this is important to understand that that is not the end. Once the model creates a response, that response also goes through the guardrails and it can be filtered at that stage. So either it'll be filtered at the first stage where the prompt is provided by user, or when the model provides a response. And if a topic is blocked or doesn't pass the filters, then your user will get, or the user will get, a message that you have predefined for them to get in these kind of situations. So that is what guardrails is all about. So remember these two components of guardrails, and that it works in both directions. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.